You also got to think about with brushless machine or anything else, the source of the power that you have coming into it, because a lot of the coil guys back in the day, even with their machines, and with the coil, you're talking about like a tuned system. You know, you have a lot of variables on that, but with a coil, like if you notice, like if you change the mass of the grip on that, if you change how when you hold it, it changes how the machine is actually, if you listen to it carefully and if you actually look at the frequency that it's running, doing things like that are changing it, because you're changing the mass of the frame that everything else is attached to. And depending on its rigidity and several other properties of it, that's going to change how it's responding in the tuning of the system. Small little things like that. And like you're explaining, the contact screw, all these little variables that you're fighting on a daily basis instead of getting in and doing your job. And there's time for efficiency, and if you want to take a ritualistic time to set your coil machines up and do a piece, you can still use them. You can you can still for sure do all that. But at the end of the day, yeah, if you're looking to run a business and make money and improve your efficiencies and do things like that, then having tools that require the least amount of maintenance and things like that, which is the rotary machine like you're describing. You just put a little bit of oil on it and the thing's going to run as long as the brushes are good in it, or as long as in a brushless case the motor controller is not burned out, or bearings are still good. So
yeah.